Chuck Miller with the Mountaineer Hog Chapter, sponsored by Triple S Harley Davidson. The ladies of Harley are visiting Sundale Nursing Home tonight as a event to bring the people outside to look at the beautiful bikes that we brought into them, and the residents here need to get out and look at other things besides trees and wildlife. And this was one of the ways that the ladies of Harley decided to do.
Oh, I stopped riding after I had my daughter. That was back in '75. Just going down the middle of the street as fast as they would let us go, and just have the wind and just the freedom.